I'll take you to the documentation, which is pretty interesting area. I'm going to first give it a role. I will provide you the text and you will create a document. You will not use your own database. Is that understood? So let's see what it says. I understand. I generate based solely on the input I receive without using pre-existing database. Okay. So now what I did is I erased sort of. It is not from their database, but for my conversation, you're not going to use anything you're trained on. I have two XLOOKUP procedures. I'm going to show you first how those procedures look like. These are from internet. First, I will show you the URLs I have for each of these procedures. And then I put those into MS Word document format. So as you see, here's pretty detailed procedure about how to use lookup function in Excel. It's written in a certain format. It got some theory, what it is, how does it actually work, and then arguments, and it also talks about a certain thing you need to consider. Okay. Now, I also have another procedure came from a different source. In fact, they are far apart. Their writing style, their structure, their examples are also different. So then what I have done is I have taken these procedures and put it into MS Word, giving it a proper shape of the procedure. Now, in ChatGPT, we don't have a way to upload these documents as of now, but we do have other tools where we can upload these MS Word document or PDF document. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to give the URLs where these source documents are. I'm going to say, okay, at this URL, I have a procedure on XLOOKUP function. Analyze the procedure and tell me if it is reliable and correct. Let's see what it says. Based on the information, it read the URL. It says, article provide explanation about this one. And, it seems okay, but again, it's warning me not to trust these things too much. As a user, you want to make sure that whatever information you are feeding to AI model, it is reasonably correct. You obviously will have to either go to SMEs or somebody to say, does it look good? If people say, yeah, it looks good, that means I can feed it to AI. Yeah, you're ready to feed. So that's the validation you're going to need to do. I'm going to say, I would like you to summarize this procedure in a clear bullet point. Now I am making it use internet because I gave it a URL. I said, don't use any other database. I am providing you the information. Why I provided a URL? Because this particular model does not take document as of now. That feature is not on yet. So it gave me a summary in the bullet point, but this time the information it has used only from that source. And it has created its own intelligence, by the way, also. I don't think this table is there, but it's going to create its own little bit of wisdom based on the pieces of information. This summary I don't like. Give me concise summaries. So it gave me 5 bullet points. So it basically taken out the crux of that procedure and gave me 5 summary bullets.